This is dog number 2. I just came back from walking Speck. I walked on that. Oops, you okay, buddy? I just tripped. I just came back from walking another dog. I walk in the house, and he's so excited to see me because I don't know. I guess he just knew. Oh, he's limping a little bit. Crap. But he was just so happy. So I said, "Do you want to go for a walk?" I'm gonna get the leash, and we're out here walking. Isn't that nice? So I'm going on a trip, and I'm bringing Ollie to my brother's house, and I need to go earlier than what he wants. So I'm going to drop him off at my parents' house, and I have to call him to make sure all this can happen. So I have to do all this so we can leave a little earlier. So we'll see where we're going on the trip. It's a surprise. Hey, Ollie. Ollie. Hey, buddy. Just getting some information. They have a bulldog that lives here, and the owner said that's where he goes to the bathroom. Come on. This bulldog here, they don't keep it on a leash, so he tends to like rush you, and I mean he sounds scary, and it's just like, okay, hope he doesn't attack me. But he doesn't, but he probably can get in trouble for being off leash and rushing people. But anyway, look at this. This is what we call, my daughter calls it chocolate. It's a poop slug. It's super dark. It's not like the common brown one, but I've been seeing these all morning. Whoa. Poor little Ollie. His short little legs. Just bring him so much happiness to come out here. And he lets me know when he's done walking. He'll stop and turn towards the house. He did that yesterday. And I said, "Do you want to go back?" So we went back. We got like half of what he normally walks. Oh yeah, this thing is bothering you a little bit. Alright, it's gonna be much of the same, so I'm just gonna call it here. Have a good day. Love your pets. I'll talk to you later at a surprise location.